Headed our way tonight. What's the latest?
Yeah, so Patrick, it's looking very minor in terms of the amount of snowfall for our area. Latest computer models continue with that trend that we started to see a couple of days ago, which is a track much further out to sea, far enough that we're spared a significant snowfall. But again, it's a bit timing issue where we're tracking some snowfall that'll be arriving here as we head especially into the afternoon and early evening hours. So our threat tracker Futurecast for this morning is low, but as we get into the afternoon hours, we'll bump it up into the medium category as that snow may coat the roadways in spots. And then into tonight, we becomes more of an issue of those frigid temperatures that we'll be dealing with into early tomorrow morning. In fact, tomorrow is going to be a brutally cold day. The combination of not only the temperatures, but the wind chill. Live city cam in Providence right now. Skies are dry. It's 11 degrees. Feels like 3 with that west wind at 5 miles an hour. We have temperatures ranging from now 12 in Smithfield and 11 in Providence to 4 Gloucester, 5 Coventry, 13 Westerly, 21 New Bedford, 16 in Taunton. Very cold start, but the temperatures will be climbing up close to 30 by the end of the day today. Area of low pressure sitting up to our north and west right now. It's going to transfer its energy into a developing coastal storm. It's too far offshore to, again, give us any major impact. So let's take a look at the Futurecast for you. And keep in mind, this is just one computer model's take here. And we'll start off at 10 o'clock in the morning under mainly cloudy skies. Could see a passing flurry or snow shower earlier in the day, but the bulk of the snow showers, again, fall in the afternoon and early evening hours. This has almost nothing coming through. In fact, by 11 o'clock at night, skies are getting back to clear weather and it's going to be turning very cold. So in terms of the snowfall amounts, most of us will end up with a coating to no more than an inch of snow. Heading out to the Cape, though, a little bit more, especially on the outer Cape in Nantucket. That's where you have the potential for a few inches of snow. We're thinking 1 to 3 inches, and there's a winter weather advisory in effect for that area. Talking about those temperatures tumbling behind that snow, 27 at 5 o'clock in the evening, down to 14 by 3 a.m., and then most areas getting down only a couple of degrees above 0 by dawn tomorrow morning. When you factor in the winds, it's going to be very frigid. I want to talk about that weekend storm potential. It's a pretty potent storm that's developing and a large one. So while we're going to be keen in on the track of that storm system, and that's going to be a very important detail, the likelihood of us getting impacts from this storm are very high. The question is how extreme the impacts are. Here's what we're looking at in terms of the Futurecast, and actually the timing of the snow looks to be a little bit quicker than what we were thinking yesterday. So here we are at 12:30 in the afternoon, showing clouds on the increase, and during the afternoon hours, snow potentially moving into our area. So by 5 o'clock Valentine's Day evening, we could be seeing snow falling across much of southern New England and then continuing to move through during the evening and the nighttime hours. Our computer models have this storm really strengthening and hitting Maine hard, but some of this snow may wrap back around and keep snow in our forecast as we head into Saturday night and Sunday. But I like the way that this is showing the highest snowfall totals right now, and this is sort of an agreement among our models, at least this morning, would be over coastal Maine. Now that may change as we're still looking at several days here to fine-tune the forecast. 30 degrees for the high today, only 13 for tomorrow, and again those wind chills between 10 and 16 below in the morning. As for Saturday, highs near 20 after starting off at 3 below. Will be close to record low Saturday. I have snow at 5 o'clock, snow at 10 o'clock with those temperatures again very cold. Sunday's high near 15 with the snow falling, and there may be a wintry mix with that storm system middle of next week. The active weather pattern continues. WPRI.com, you can